going homeward bound back to Sarasota, which is all along there. If you pan that way, points out, take some pictures. And again, that's the bridge that goes over to Sarasota Circle, which is that side. That's all the posh houses that we had coming up the cruise. So this was saved. It was just $42. Away goes a speedboat. Speedboat. Sure, we've got that later because that'll be on YouTube. There's a speedboat going across there. Yes, this cruise was $42, and that includes well, water. I don't have additional drinks, it might be additional. We only had water, but it's an all-you-can-eat buffet from what I can gather. If you've got any special dietary requirements, we had chicken nuggets, which are not part of the menu. We asked, they were offered to us. They were nice. They were chips, which we didn't even ask for chips. They come out. There's plenty of cake here if you like a cake. But yes, and gratuities, tips are included in the price of $42. So well worth it. And look, there's another speedboat and the race there, isn't there? Look at him go there, he's having a race. So back now, we go back to the dock. You can probably see the dock right there in the distance. You can see the two white buildings there. The building in the middle, I think that's a bank or a insurance type building there. The one with a dome on it, the golden dome, that's a hotel. I'm saying that's Marina, Jack Bay, Dockyard, whatever you want to call it. That's where we're heading back to disembark at some point. So getting close now. I'm guessing that little orange triangle must be a sign to like turn right here, might be a speed sign. Not very up in my nautical road signs. We are turning, so it could be turn here, isn't it? Turn in and there's the one on the other side there. It could be that's the channel you go down. Let's go back round again. You can see the big bridge. Sarasota Circle to the left. Sarasota to the right. So last thoughts from Pauline. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? It's a thumbs up from Pauline. Worth the money? Definitely worth the money. Would you do it again? Yep, thumbs up all the way.
Yeah, bring it back again.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, to bring it back again.
I had to bring her back again, okay.
Start sliding.
So you can see the cars going down there. That is what we call the Tam Yam 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 road. But it's not, it's the Tammy what's it called?
Tam Yam 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 Yam.
Tam Yam 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 road. Tammy Miami, Tam Yam 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 road. Well, it could be Interstate Road 41. That seems to be built 41. But we call it the Tam Yam 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 road. And if you head that way, along that road, you get to the Sarasota shopping mall, which is quite a nice mall. I like that mall. It was, yeah.
That's a big ride right there, huh? There you go, you got it.
Oh, smoke.
Right here.
Small one,
He's
isn't it?
off.
Perfect.
Right.
Perfect. That thing turns good. Hey, good meeting you.
Thank you very much.
All right. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Really enjoyed it.
Thank you. I'm glad you did it.